Uh, Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly clamp your bike on a work stand. So if you look over here, what I had done, and whenever I look at the videos, these are the two common problems that I see. You see how I have the clamp. So this is the clamp that I have here. And what a lot of people will do, they're going to clamp their bike right over here. So they're gonna get this clamp to bite right here, or another problem that I see is right here. They're gonna get it to clamp it right here. So I would lift the bike higher and I would clamp this clamp over here, which is a big mistake. And let me explain to you why. So this clamp that you see here is going to crush your carbon frame over here. And if you clamp it on this side over here, it's going to crush the top tube or this tube. Instead of you risking it, risking the $500,000 frame, this is what you can do. Look over here. This is the seat post that's been tightened right here, and all of us, you want to clamp the bike along the seat post. So God forbid, if you were, let's say, to break this seat post, this can be replaced only for $20. You see the difference. This is the $20 part versus the $1,000 frame. And this is why, for obvious reasons over here, you see, I have clamped my bike for the seat post. And now I don't have to risk about, anything, breaking anything, and I can freely work on my bike. And hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.